All right, folks, Dr. Cohen here today. Wanted to catch up with you guys about homework stuff for managerial accounting. Now, it seems to have thrown a few of you off. Where are these assignments? Okay. Now, the reason why. Let me just show you real quick. So, not sure if you remember, but way back when the class started, okay, I told y'all that I created the class where you look at the best way to look at it is from this module perspective. And I think if you go to the home here, let's see if it goes home. Okay, so it goes to this thing. So like right now you would be on, so the managerial stuff starts in module 4. Okay, so if you click on that, so it was designed for you to view it just like I'm viewing it here. Okay, now here's the problem. A few folks, or a lot of folks or whatever, don't view it like that, and probably because it's how you were trained in your other classes. So what folks do is they go over here. Let me just show you real quick. They go over here to assignments, and they click in here, and they look and say, oh, these are all the assignments. Now, and the problem is they go over here, and I don't know, this is the, let's see if it looks different. Let me see view as a student. Okay, hold on. Let's see what assignments look like. Yeah, so you all probably see it like this, and you're like, you're looking at all these things, and this is all of this stuff is from the managerial accounting. So you're looking at it and going, well, there's no new assignments for financial accounting, no new assignments for managerial. Not true. Now, I tried to tell y'all, let me move this real quick, leave student view. Let me go back over here to modules, okay? So if you go down here to module 4, okay, module 4. So there, this was your midterm right here, okay, module 4. You see this connect link right here? So here, notice it says all this stuff was due July 27th, okay, which is obviously 4 days ago. This was module 4. Now, the reason why I told you about the connect link, I had mentioned, told y'all, that so I can't connect both textbooks to Connect, right? To Canvas. So when you go to assignments, you're not going to see these assignments. Now, if you go to discussions, you'll see those, but you're not going to see managerial assignments because I can't connect this book. And I did that just to let you know. We'll go over here to the announcements. How to access managerial assignments, posted on July 24th, because I was getting some folks asking me. Okay, so if you go in here, this is where I was trying to tell you. Now I know you don't read all this stuff and yada yada yada, but anyway, to get started, so here, this is where I was showing you all how to connect with how to get to these assignments. So the bottom line is, what you need to do, go to modules, okay? Go to whatever module it is, and right now it should be, actually right now we're going to be on module 5. So let me close all this up. Module 4. Okay, so module 5. And again, if you take a look, see where it says link to connect right there? So there's the 3 pre-tests. By the way, it's the same stuff every week. The only time it's different is the last week. There's no discussion. And notice all of this stuff is due August 3rd. Now, because there's been some issues with this, and I've had a few different people, oh my God, Dr. Cohen, blah, blah, blah. Listen, I get it. You know, how come it, you know, you're like, well, why doesn't this stuff just go to it just doesn't. If it did, I would have done it that way like I did the first part. So I want to show you what I did, okay? So here's what I did. So notice, you see where this says due 8/3? I would tell you that for all this, see due 8/3, over here, due 8/10. I highly, highly, highly recommend you do them by those dates if you can. But to make life easy and make life simple for everybody, here's what I did. Okay, I'm going to connect. Now this is actually going to connect me. Watch what happens here. It's going to look a little different to you, but so here, go to connect, and you know where's this thing going to take me? It's going to take me to the financial. See where it says the financial chapters? Now I'm going to have to go and go over here to the managerial stuff. See it right here? Click. Okay. But I want to show you what I did. Okay. Let me show you these due dates. So what I did, because basically folks missed, a bunch of, well, no, not a bunch, enough a lot of folks missed this homework, right? This stuff was due July 27th. You see these first 4 items? This was due July 27th. These next items, these were due August 3rd. Look what I did. I changed them all. This is the last day of class. So, you know, like I had somebody just email me this morning. Dr. Cohen, we don't have any homework this week? And I don't know if they meant this week or last week, to be honest with you. But the bottom line is, now they are open for everybody. Everything in managerial is open for everybody until the last day of class. Now, like I've just mentioned, don't wait till the last day of class. You do not want to do this. This is a bad mistake. What you would want to strive to do is to go back over here, and you want to try to hit these due dates as best you can. So let me go to the modules. Now, for those of you that missed the first one, what you want to try to do, the first one being module 4, all that module 4 stuff was due 4 days ago. Okay? But doesn't matter now. Now you got to the 15th, but don't wait till then, because now you got this other stuff here. This stuff was due on 8/3. Okay? See it all right here? Due 8/3. All right? So try to get yourself caught up. But I didn't want to make you all crazy, you know, if you can't swallow it all at one time. But do not, in the next one, 8/10. Don't sit back and say, well, I don't have to do anything for 3 weeks. You will regret that decision if you do. Okay? So there you go, folks. Bottom line is, I opened the assignment, all of the managerial assignments, not the discussion. Okay? So not the discussion. You have to go in and do those. But all of the pre-tests and the homework assignments, I moved it all to August 15th. This way, everybody can get in there, get their stuff done. And if you need a little wiggle room, it's built in. Okay? All right, so hopefully you watch this video. I'm going to send a thing out that says, please watch this video. All right? So anyway, there you go, folks. Hopefully that's got things fixed up for everybody. Don't forget, you have to go, again, here. Now, it's going to look different. Let me just show you here. I'll use this one. See where it says link to connect? Now, it's going to be different because I'm the professor. But you click on this bad boy, right? And it says here, put your email address. This is the managerial textbook, okay? So, I don't know. Whatever you sign in with, that's what you do here. And you should be good to go. All right, folks? All right, hopefully that clarifies it for everybody. I'm sorry, I know a lot of you just, you know, there's some calendar in there that tells you when things are due. I understand. Unfortunately, in this case, because of 2 textbooks, can't do it. And the reason why I chose these 2 textbooks, frankly, is because that's what we use for undergrad, and frankly, it's because they're good. Okay? All right, that's it. Got any questions, feel free to ask. Just remember, homework's open till the 15th. Don't wait until then. Use those dates that you see in the modules. Those are definitely your best bet. Okay, folks? All right, talk to you later. Bye.